One of the best things that happened to us when we went to Bangkok is having this rare succulent plant. What do you think is this? Watch till the end of the video. Good morning, green-minded people, and welcome to this another video edition. Today it's quite cold, it's quite breezy, and it's perfect. But that's not only the reason why this day is perfect. Because today we will try to unpack some of the plants that we bought from Bangkok. And I'm very excited for that. I hope you are. So let's go. Help me unpack these plants. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. We upload videos weekly. Okay, so right now we're getting one box. It's quite hard. It's really hard to get it. So this is the box that we took from Bangkok. Okay, we're trying to remove it. Okay, so the first item that we will unpack is this. Wow, this is quite big. What do you think is this? So we will try to open it slowly, like that. And as you can see, it is really carefully packed. I can see that there's another handle here, so I'm gonna stand up so that you can see it clearer. Yeah, so we are using scissors so that it can be easier for us to unpack it. What is this? Oh my god. I can see some familiar leaves here. And I bet you are familiar of this too. This is an orchid, isn't it? But to reveal if it's an orchid, let's see the flowers. Wow. Look at that. It's just amazing. Wow. And let me reveal to you the flower. There you go. This is the flower. Oh my goodness, it's just awesome, isn't it? So we've got two here, two orchid. And it has got a very long rooting system here, if you can see it closer. And the most exciting part here actually is the flower. Look at the color of the flowers. See. Okay, so let's continue unpacking. As you can see, I have a red plastic here, I have a blue plastic here, and some paper bags here, and of course, this big box in here. So honestly, green-minded people, this is not my first time to receive boxes of plants, but this is the first time that we're trying to unpack this on our video and sharing it with you. So let's see, what do we have here on our red plastic bag. So put it there. Okay, so first is we have this. All right, so we have this aloe. There you go. Oh, so there are fallen leaves here. I'm sorry, my love, maybe because of the packing and the travel, but it's okay. I'm sure that it can pretty survive. Look at that, it's quite cute. Look at the aloe. You know, I'm very addicted lately with the aloe, so I tried to ask for some aloe. We have another aloe. We have another aloe here. Okay. So again, I'm so sorry, my dear aloe, because leaves are detaching from it because of this journey of traveling. How about this one? I think we have another aloe here. Look at that. So I have 3 now. And how about this one? Wow, it's another aloe. So I don't know how many aloes did I tell them to send me. Look at that. Alright, look at this one. This is another one. It's quite pretty. I'm having hard time of taping this unboxing thingy because it's my first time. Bear with me, green-minded people. And I have here the castle, fairy castle. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm going to graft some moon cactus all over this one, so it's gonna look like a Christmas tree. It's pretty, isn't it? Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, these are simple cactus in here. All right, and cute tiny cactus again. How about here? Oh no, I think we have 3 of them. And moving forward, we are also opening this. I think you are already familiar with this. So we just bought this because it has a lot of pops. So these are moon cactus, and I want to show you how lovely it is. Color pink, look at that. It's so pink. It's so adorable. So as what I've told you earlier, I'm gonna remove these pops later, and I'm gonna put that on our fairy castle cactus. And here's another one. I guess they're just the same, but I'm not sure what color did we get aside from pink. I hope it's not pink. Okay, it's not really pink, and we took red and yellow, but this is a magical thing, green-minded people, because in the beginning it starts with yellow, and when it becomes mature or bigger, it becomes red. See, so from yellow to red. And finally, we will be getting plants from our magical box in here, so let's do it. So first on our magical box is this set of astrophytum. So this is a set. So there are so many kinds of mixed varieties in here, and hopefully let's find out in the future their exact patterns and what do they really look like. But guys, green-minded people, to tell you honestly, I'm super addicted. We're also super addicted with astrophytum because we are so addicted, then I'm gonna bring more of astrophytum here. Look at that. So this one has got 2 flowers already. I hope it will be pollinated. So we will try to pollinate them if they will still bloom today. And another astrophytum here. Look at that. This one, I got this from Alice Little Tree in Bangkok. And Alice Little Tree is actually a very nice greenhouse, and don't worry, we also prepared a video for that, visiting in that little tree of Aris. That's very nice. Please watch out also for that. And speaking of astro, here you go. One of a kind patterned astrophytum, and they've flowered already, and hopefully they will develop into seeds. Moving on, we also have this one of a kind. It's quite expensive, so I always give this for free, I guess. And this one also, oh my god, it's moving. And as you can see, there's yellow in the middle here, yellow. It's kind of really nice. And we have here the other one too. It looks like a star fruit, isn't it? Okay. So these are the content of our magical box. And if you think it's over, you're definitely wrong. I'm sorry to say, but we still have here one of the best things that happened to us when we went to Bangkok. Is this whole set, sorry, this whole set of what do you think are this? This is so amazing. This is a whole set, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big trees plus hundreds of little trees down in this 6 big trees. Also, we have seeds here packed. So isn't it exciting, right? So we also have this here in our garden, but I think they're not enough because we are just so in love with this kind of species. And so there you go, green-minded people. Thank you so much for being with us here on this video. I would like to personally thank Aris Little Big Tree for giving us much of what we desire. And please do watch out for the video of us visiting Alice Little Big Tree. So these are the content of our boxes and plastic. And my favorites, everything is our favorite. But what I really love the most is this one. Perfect. You can just put this right away on your table set. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and please do like and subscribe in this video so that you will be notified of all our videos coming. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you again on our next videos. This is the Green Minded Project.